I noticed it was dead quiet, and so I turned around, about to head back inside, when I saw my dog desperately clawing at the door, as if afraid of something. It was at this moment I turned back around, my blood running cold, only to realize something had been imitating my dog in an attempt to lure me into the woods. After realizing I had figured it out, the creature let out its real voice. A horrid, deafening screech that sounded like it was straight from the pits of hell. Somehow deep as a tuba and high as a flute at the same time. Hearing this, I ran back inside, locked the door and headed to bed, hoping to sleep the nightmare away. Me and my dog were scared stiff as we heard the thing pounding the door for what felt like days. After it stopped, we looked out the window, only to see the creature run back into the woods. I've upgraded my locks to bars of wood. I was hoping it would never come back, but I can hear my dog barking again, and she's sitting right next to me. See you in the morning, everyone.